It's been such an intense and exciting time for Japan's financial market, with the BOJ finally raising rates for the first time in many, many years. What impact has that had on your business?
So I think there's a real sense that there's some change in the Japanese economy over the last year or so. So I mean that has led to a very different sentiment. It's probably fair to say Japan's been the most exciting market on the globe in the last year. So obviously as a Japanese institution that can bring Japan markets to the rest of the world, it's been a really good period. It makes us very relevant. I can get any meeting I want right now to talk about Japan because most people in the world have an interest in this market.
Great. Let's talk about the yen. It's the talk of the town right now, with the yen hitting the lowest level since 1990. How do you see this playing out? I mean, how much speculation do you see in the market, and how are your traders positioning for the possibility of an intervention in the currency market?
Sure. I mean, obviously it's a big story right now, but the yen has been flirting with weakness a bit for the last year or so. Our medium-term forecast is actually for the yen to strengthen somewhat. I think over the next year or so, we think it should head back towards 140, primarily driven by the thoughts of the Fed easing further down the road and somewhat tighter Japan policy. So we think that the medium-term picture would be for a slightly stronger yen. Obviously, right now it's flirting with its lowest levels ever. My thoughts are, central banks tend to intervene when they can surprise the market, and we're all talking about it right now. So I think they'll prefer to talk than to act, but obviously you never know.
How much speculation do you see in the market right now?
A bit. It's obviously a big story, but I think for us the big picture is that we're seeing a lot of foreign interest in the Japan equity markets and other parts of Japan. So the yen isn't a sort of totally standout issue.